What's up, guys? This is Robert here with Carp Tackle USA, and I'm going to be showing you the most important knot whenever it comes to carp fishing. The first thing you want to do is take your piece of line, cut, and then after that, you want to fold the lines on top of each other, like so, and then wrap it around your finger. Want to make a little loop like that and pull it back through. And pull it tight. That right there is your hair. We're going to cut off this access line right here. Then you're going to grab your hook. Run it through the back side of the hook. Want to have your hair about that long. Depending on how big of a bait you're going to be using will depend on how long you want it to really be. Wrap it around the shaft about 3 or 4, 5 times, it don't matter. After that, pull it through the back. Pull it tight. And that right there is your hair rig knot. Now, for the people who don't know what a hair rig knot is used for, a hair rig knot is used to keep fish you're not targeting away. Because carp, they specifically suck up your hook. And if you put corn on your hook or anything like that, other fish will bite the hook. And you don't want that. You want to specifically catch carp. So now I'm going to be showing you what a bait needle is going to be used for. Bait needle is very important when it comes to your hair rig knot. You want to take your bait needle, put your bait on the needle, hook it onto your hair, and then after that, slide your bait onto your hair rig. Then take your bait stopper, slide it onto your hair, and then push your bait down onto the bait stopper so your bait will not come off. And that's all there is to it, guys. I'm Robert with Carp Tackle USA. I hope y'all learned something, and have a great day. See ya.